Chapter 36 Strength of Will. Toravan. Have mage candidate Aelin. Keep him near Nikolai, and you won't have a problem. Is he serious? Does he truly think that's a solution? Sire, he says in a confidential tone, as if he's going to impart a great secret. I am training Nikolai, slowly but surely, to be more responsible with both his decisions and his magic. You can't train someone who's untrainable, I growl. You told me that. He looks back, a sad note coming into his eyes. It's total horseshit. He doesn't care about me. He doesn't care about Nikolai. I don't know what he cares about, and I don't know if he himself is my enemy. Is dismissing Nikolai the mistake? Should I instead be dismissing Master Aldrich? He's certainly never been my friend. But there are only 2 weavers I know of at court beyond Caleb, and if I'm counting, myself. I'm unsure if either Nikolai or Aldrich are capable of doing whatever it is that's muffling my father's bedchamber. Even Caleb, powerful as he is, had trouble seeing it at first. I didn't say you were untrainable, Your Majesty, Aldrich says. Only that the training would be unwise. My fingers creak the wood on the arms of the chair. Because I don't have enough willpower? Gods, Aldrich, I didn't see you trying to weave that storm away. It was Caleb and me. We were both there in the middle of it, making it dissipate. Caleb most of all. Caleb Aelin is a very special mage, Aldrich says, nodding as if he's solely responsible for Caleb's power and competence, and he's avoiding the question. Talent and will like his are a rarity you don't see more than once in a century. He will keep Nikolai in hand. He always has so far. And you can maintain the vital economic balance in the kingdom. I wove the storm, I say. Me. That was partly done with my willpower, Aldrich. And maybe this is why I'm here. Maybe all my other reasons are a sham. Because I did weave that storm. I lent my willpower to Caleb, and we were synchronous. We were in a dance together. And that doesn't happen if you're not actually a weaver. Aldrich was wrong. So wrong to deny me his training. So wrong to tell me I lacked the will. He was wrong, and my need to tell him that burns in me. I'm almost shaking, and it's taking all my effort to keep it from showing. Aldrich sighs, rubbing at his clean-shaven cheek. I commend your efforts, Your Majesty. However, I still don't advise you to perform any weaving without supervision. I'm not a child. I snap my mouth shut, because Valter told me the day before that the walls are not infinitely thick, and neither are the doors. I'd resolved to not bend to Aldrich's maneuvering, but here I've done it again. He knows exactly how to wind me up, to distract and divert me from my purpose. I stand. I need to get out of here. This isn't working. This isn't how my father would have handled this. I'm not acting like the king I should be, not just now. The stale air in the room, old parchment, and new leather is making my head ache. Aldrich rises with me. Your Majesty, please give me a month. If Nikolai has not vastly improved in his manner and choices by then we will reassess. It isn't the solution I want, and how do I tell him that Caleb might not always be at court, that he could decide to leave at any time? If I push him away hard enough, push her away.